Hello, I'm Dario and I'll be introducing you to the Citroen Berlingo panel van. The vehicle is brand new and it's covered under manufacturer warranty. We also applied a triple layer of Gardex nano coat over the paint to make sure no tree sap, acidity or rain will affect it for time to come. This specific exemplar is painted in glacier white and comes in the Enterprise trim level. It's fitted with electrically adjustable and heated mirrors, barn-style opening doors at the back, and it's in an L1H1 configuration. Over the curb side you can find the sliding door and the fuel flap for both the diesel and the AdBlue, and the fuel cap is also locked by the key. Once you access the back, you have plastic liner over the side panels and door, full metal bulkhead with a load-through hatch that extends into the cabin by 48 centimeters, and then lighting fixtures over the roofline. The floor is also equipped with 6 anchorage points to secure all your cargo. Size-wise, you have 122 centimeters of width in between the wheel arches, 120 centimeters of height to the lowest point of the roof, and 167 centimeters of fully usable floor space. As I mentioned before, you have a load-through hatch which you can access by easily folding the passenger seat and lowering the hatch over the rear. The rear of the seat is also protected by the metal bulkhead, but we always recommend to secure any cargo that goes into the cabin. The cabin is split in a 3-seat configuration with an independent and fully adjustable driver's seat, all 3 of them finished in charcoal fabric with silver inserts. The middle seat can be easily folded to access an extendable tray table, which also pivots, which is really useful, especially whenever you're using a laptop or tablet for working purposes. The 3-spoke steering wheel is adjustable in depth and height, and behind it you find the housing for the automatic headlights, which are part of the Enterprise trim package, cruise control with speed limiter, and wiper stalk. You can also find a dial to adjust the height of the beam over to the right hand side, and over the armrest you find the controls for the adjustable mirrors and power windows. The vehicle is fitted with 2-gauge closters with a digital trip computer with a color screen. It's multifunction and will let you access the trip computer functionalities. While the infotainment is the Citroen NAC, fitted with DAB radio with FM and RDS fallback, Android Auto and Apple CarPlay through the USB cable, plus mirror link capabilities for phones like Huawei and Xiaomi. Obviously you also have Bluetooth. And from the infotainment you can also access the toggle for the start and stop, traction control, tire pressure monitor. Underneath the infotainment you can find the controls for the air conditioning plus the toggle for the heated mirrors. And this vehicle is fitted with a 6-gear manual transmission and electronic handbrake. And these are some of the features and benefits of the Citroen Berlingo Enterprise. For any inquiries, feel free to contact us.